Hi everyone, Dom here from the Panasonic kitchen. In this quick video I'm just going to talk you through how to use the Chaos defrost mode on your microwave. I've got the NNCD88 model here, one of our most popular models, and it's really straightforward to use the Chaos defrost mode. I am going to take a little time just to explain what the Chaos defrost mode is, because it can confuse some people. Essentially, the Chaos defrost mode, when you're defrosting food, means that the microwave is going to randomly fire microwaves at your food at different strengths and different intervals, so you get a really nice even defrost on your food. You won't get hot spots, you won't end up with really big differences in temperature on your food after the defrost. So it's pretty straightforward. If you want to use the Chaos defrost mode on the CD88, you simply rotate the dial immediately. You're then met with a few different options. In this case, we're defrosting bread, so we're going to choose the bread mode. Once we're happy with that, we're going to press the dial. After that, we're going to turn the dial again to select the weight of food that we've got. Now I've weighed this, it's around 100 grams, so we're going to just choose 100 grams there. Once we're happy with that, we're going to open the door, pop the food straight on the plate. If you're defrosting different types of food, like large joints of meat or something else, you might prefer to have it in a dish on top of the turntable. It might be a bit better as long as it's a microwavable dish, of course. And once you're happy and everything's in, simply press the dial again, and the microwave will automatically calculate the amount of time it thinks your food needs to defrost, and it will begin the process of Chaos defrost. Hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.